everyone, this is EcoWardy, and today we are going to show you how to use these adjustable solar panel brackets. So now we have here a solar panel and some brackets, long and small, and some screws into this packet. So we're going to show you how to use them. So right now we are going to show how to set two long rails together. To do this job we need a wing bolt like this and a nut. So let's do it. Here is done, so we can have two rails together. And then we can proceed to set the short rail into the different angles, because the rails have a different angles, so we can open or close, depends on how much width we need. Let's set it at the last. And here we have a complete set of two rails together. Let's assemble the other one in a different angle, so we will have an intuitive contrast. For example, we can operate like this. It's really a simple step. As you can see, we have two very different angles in these two sets of rails. So now we are going to connect these two sets of rails to the solar panel. Let's see how we do it. We have a screw here, so we put the screw in this hole, and then we put a screw in it, a nut. It's done. And then we do the same for the other part. Here we are. And then we do the same for the other set of rails. It's the very same process. So we use this spanner now to tighten up the nuts here. Now we are done. We can adjust them anytime, depending on the sun height. Let's change them to the same angle. It's really simple steps, and we only need to unscrew it and move it to the position we want and make sure it screws tightly. And that's all for today. Here is it, the final assembled solar panel. As you can see, we can even put it down. Is it perfectly stable, as you can see. That's all for today. Thank you for following. If this video helps you, or if you have any suggestions, please send us an email and we will try to help you as soon as possible. Thank you, and see you next time.